Good morning, children. I am your English teacher. Today, let us continue with the chapter The Assam of Tea. Okay, children. In the previous topics, we have learned that Rajveer and Pranjal, they both were traveling on a vacation to Assam, to their hometown, and here his friend, these two friends, they were very close and they had gone for their hometown for their holidays. He had taken them. And so now here Pranjal highlights the fact that almost 80 crore cups of tea are consumed every day throughout the world. And while Rajveer remains surprised on listening to it, indeed, tea is a popular beverage of all over the world. So children, here we have studied that these two boys will be traveling in a train, and one of the boy here, he never cares for the scenery because he is been born and brought up there, and the other one is almost with anxiety he sees to the scenery, children. So here as the train was moving, next what happens here is, as the train was moving, next Rajveer saw was an ugly looking building with smoke coming out of it. It was a tea garden, and Rajveer got excited, but Pranjal, who had seen all of it during his childhood, did not match to his friend's level of enthusiasm. Pranjal tells him that they have entered Assam, which is known as the tea country. The state has the maximum number of tea plantations in the world, children. So here before visiting the tea country, Rajveer read a lot about tea and how it was discovered. There were numerous theories, and one of which was about a Chinese emperor who had a habit of drinking boiled water, children. Once upon a time, when he was boiling that water, few leaves fell into it and it tasted delicious. So what he said is that those leaves were tea leaves. So from that day onwards, everybody started to consume tea. And on being asked by Pranjal, Rajveer told another story about an Indian legend named Buddhirama. So here, he was a Buddhist monk who had cut his eyelids because he used to feel sleepy while meditating. Eventually, tea plants grew out of his eyelids, which upon consuming after boiling with water helped in getting rid of sleep. So only children, when we do late night studies, we keep tea with us, drink tea, and then we start studying because we will not get sleep. So like this Buddhirama also did. Further, Rajveer highlighted a few facts that stated that tea dates back to 2700 BC and was first consumed in China. All such words such as chai and chini have originated from Chinese language. Tea was introduced to Europe quite late in the 16th century, where it considered to be have medicinal properties, children. So here the train had stopped and the boys reached their destination, where they gathered their luggage and deboarded the train, only to find a platform that was too crowded. Pranjal's parents had come to receive them. After almost an hour, they reached Digboy, Pranjal's tea garden, after taking a turn and making their way through a cattle bridge. So children, here their tea garden was stretched upon a vast area of land, and all the bushes were cut to the same height and they had been taken care of. On the fields, tea pluckers were seen wearing an apron and carrying the bamboo baskets in order to pluck the freshly sprouted leaves. See children, here I am showing in the slides those people, the tea pluckers. Pictures have been shown here children. You watch that. So here on their way to the fields, Pranjol's father gave way to a tractor that was loaded with tea leaves. On seeing this, Rajveer flaunts his knowledge by mentioning that this is the second sprouting period of this year that lasts from May to July and gives excellent yield. So his father is explaining to his friend. Pranjol's father, who seems impressed, replies that he seems to have done a lot of research before coming. Pranjol, who was excited about learning more about the amazing beverage, showed his intention for the same. So children, this is about the chapter, the Assam of tea. Okay children. So after watching this video, see, day before yesterday I had given you a worksheet from the textbook. Here today I will be giving you the answers. Please check out the answers. If it is correct, if it is wrong, please correct yourself. Read for the test. Thank you all. Have a nice day children. Bye.